In this video we will learn how to generate a shift request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the attendance module on the top navigation bar. So here you can see shift request form. Click on the Add New Request button to add a new shift request. Next, select an employee whose requisition is to be generated. Select the shift date. The system will show current shift mapped with employee. Select the desired shift. Add a reason before submitting the request. Click on a Submit button to submit your request. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.